Rishma, how are you?
I'm good, Rashmi. How studies are going?
Not up to the mark. I'm thinking to hire a home tutor. A home tutor? Well, I wanna share a vital information. You should go for online classes. Online classes? Why should I choose online classes over home tutor?
Well, it has several advantages over home tuition. Self-paced learning. You decide how fast or slow you want to learn. No limits. Anytime, anywhere, as long as you need.
No travel required. You can study from home or anywhere you want. Taking an online course also means that you don't have to commute to class, which means less time spent on bus and more study time sitting on your couch.
Online courses give students the opportunity to plan their study time around the rest of their day, instead of the other way around. Students can study and work when they are their peak energy, whether that's early morning or late at night.
And any parent doesn't have to be at home, like you have to when a tutor comes. The student can study anywhere, anytime with his/her own convenience. Either any parent is at home or not. The parents don't know what quality of the content has been provided by the home tutor. But in online classes,
they don't have to worry about that, as the organization itself takes complete care of the quality of content. What else you are waiting for? Contact Amsc Institute and join hands with students who excel in maths and science.